Hi everybody, it's 10:31 and 28 seconds. Sorry for the short delay. Just as this thing filled up, I had a phone call from work, so I couldn't get it off. I had to get this lovely person off the phone with me. I actually do work for a living. So here we are. This is Batman 232 6.0. Here are let me just put a little space over there for Frank. Here are the 23 filled spots. Okay. This will go out in today's mail, I promise you. I believe there's one international participant. If that person should win, you do need to pay the international shipping cost. This is free shipping inside the United States only. So let's do our 3 dice. The number is 10, and away we go. Best of luck, everybody. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here's the final one. 10. Spot 7. Mike Fazzini. Congratulations. Time is 10:32 and 41 seconds.